Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your device is ready. Plug it in and charge to at least 50% because updates can stall when battery is low. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't consume mobile data or drop mid-transfer. Once done, back up your important data to Google or a computer. This preserves settings and files if something unexpected happens. Now open Settings and go to System Advanced System Update to start the check and download process. You should let the device download the update fully before installation. This prevents partial installs. Once the download completes, review the release notes so you know what changes and any known issues to expect. Make sure your device stays on power and maintains Wi-Fi during both download and preparation. When you tap Install, the phone will reboot and apply files. This may take several minutes or longer. If prompted for a PIN or pattern after reboot, enter it. This secures the update process and finishes configuration. After the installation completes, you should verify the new Android version and security patch level under About Phone. This confirms success. If your device is slow or won't boot, try rebooting into safe mode to isolate apps or wipe the cache partition. These steps clear temporary files without erasing personal data. If the phone still fails to boot, restore your backup or perform a factory reset as a last resort, and contact the manufacturer or carrier for recovery. One key tip: keep backups current to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.